Hi, thank you for your interest in PrepMatic. So in this video, I'll walk you through the platform from start to finish, including the onboarding process, dashboard, and the study timetable, mock test, and progress tracking, and also the revision planning. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use PrepMatic to prepare for your competitive exams. So this is a home page that you land when you get into prepmatic.in. So there is a way that you can get into this platform by clicking on any buttons that we have here. So let's say we have two ways to sign up. One is you can use the Google SSO. Then other one is you can use a simple email ID password stuff. Let me get my account. So I did signed up already, but I haven't yet completed my onboarding process. After signing up, you will be taken to the onboarding process. This only takes a couple of minutes and help us personalize your preparations. So first you have to select the competitive exam that you are preparing for. This allows Prepmatic to load the correct syllabus and preparation strategy, and also your education qualification, followed by you have to choose your target exam date. Let's say I'm preparing for banking and this is in English. I'll say I'm a graduate. Now, this is where we have to select our target exam date. So the every study plan is generated backwards from this date. So your preparation stays on track. Let's say I have my bank exam around September 15, and I can tell how many hours I can realistically study each day. So this is where we don't need to overestimate because Prepmatic works best with an honest schedule. Let's say I can spend somewhere around 20 hours per week, or let's say just put it as a 20 hours per week, and I'll select I can spend all these 4 days. And now, so this is where we have to select. Do I need to select go with the entire syllabus, or do I need to go with the select very few specific subjects? Let's say reasoning ability. Let me go with cover entire syllabus, and also we need to give the intensity that we need to go for moderate, intense. Let me go with the moderate. So this is where we have to give the confidence because these confidence score become the foundation of this personalized study plan. So this is where I'll just give the confidence on this way, and quantitative I'll give 2 star, English language let me give you 4, general awareness is 3, and computer knowledge let's say 5. And now is the next step. So then it's our what is our current preparation level? Are we a beginner, intermediate, and advanced? Let's say beginner, and what attempt is this? It's a first attempt or second attempt. So and then if you want, you can also give you a target score. Now complete the setup. Once you completed your onboarding, it will ask you for the subscription. So we have a 3 plans here. One is a basic, which is free forever. The other one is pro, and right now we are running a limited offers, which is 299 per year. Apparently, this is 3,499. It's an annual plan, and also we have a elite plan, which is 5,499 per year, and we have a monthly plan as well, 399 for pro and 599 for elite. So the difference between all these plans is the number of mock tests that you can take, right? So the basic will allow you to take 5 mock tests per month. Out of 5, you can take 2 mock tests from the materials that you upload. Whereas the pro will let you create 15 mock tests per month. Out of 15, 10 can be generated based on your notes. And most of the other things are mostly similar, but we go in-depth analytics in subject and chapter wise here. Whereas in the elite, you can create all the way up to 600 mock tests per month, 60 mock tests per month, and 40 mock tests out of that from our material. The same way where we get more granular optimizations. Let's subscribe for the free plan now. And this is where you can evaluate yourself. So this is a quick assessment which will understand, this will help the Prepmatic to understand who you are, so that based on that we will have a personalized study table. So let's start this evaluation. So this will ask couple of questions based on the exam that we have selected. Upon our submission, it will understand who we are. Okay, so this person needs a very granular level or something like that. I'm just going with a random flow, which is like 15 percentage of 200. Let's say I'll go with 30. I'm just going to give the random selection. Right. So here, and it's a certain bank. So I'm just give as a I'm just giving all the random answers here and here as well. So now we have answered. So my current baseline assessment is 71 percentage, which is good because I'm above average. So in reasoning ability, I'm very poor, which you can see, and quantitative aptitude out of three, two answers are correct. So I'm on the right track. We have found my foundation is good enough to start the pushing, right? So this is what I can review it. Now I can go to the dashboard. So this is our personalized dashboard, right? So instead of managing notebooks, spreadsheets, multiple apps, everything is organized in one place. From here, you can access your timetable and you can access your mock test, you can explore the materials, and you can also see the preparation progress. And these are the topics that I have to study for today, right? So this is 1.5 hours on number system fundamentals, logical foundations, and series patterns, and all these things. And this upcoming session, let's say I want to see the whole week schedule, I can see that, right? So today's schedule is this, and if I want to see the entire roadmap, I can see till the September. I can see the roadmap. So whatever the data that I have here, so this is for July, right? So again, for all the months, I have the data for this. So I can go all the way till my exam states to see the data, right? This is how I get the roadmap. Now this is where I can create the mock test, right? So one of the PrepMatic's biggest advantage is customizable mock test, right? Instead of everyone taking the same test, you decide exactly what you want to practice. Let's say you can select the subject that you want. You can even upload the materials that you want to generate test from, and you can also customize the number of questions and the durations, total time duration for that. And also you can customize the difficulties level. Let's say I'll go with the medium or I can go with the easy. I'll go to the bare minimum, it's just 15 minutes. I can go with maximum questions in 15 minutes. So you can see the thing. Let's say it's a 10 questions under 15 minutes. I'll just create mock test. Now the mock test is being generated, right? So this most of these questions are presented exactly like a real time competitive examinations. Again, I'll go with a random thing. So let's say I'll randomly select an answer. So I may be wrong here. I'm just randomly selecting the answer here. So if I want, I can mark this answer for review later, and then I can come back here. Also, if I can mark this, so I'm just so I have a two questions flagged here. Let me review it. So I can go here. So this is a flagged. I'm now again this is also flagged. Let me right. So let's say save next. Now I can submit the text. All right. So now it is analyzing our response, whatever the things. So this analysis will give me a overall score. The overall score is 70 percentage, which means out of 10 questions, 7 questions are correct. The total number of questions I attempted is 10. The time I have taken is 1 minute 3 seconds. The subject wise performance, you see that I have good, I'm in a good thing in quantitative aptitude, but I also a little good in general things, right? So here is where the strength it has identified, and the banking areas are the one that I need to focus more. And what is the next step? It is also suggesting it. I can also come to review the questions and what is the correct answer for all those things. I think these are the things that I given a wrong answer. Now this is where our the AI insights is getting in more deeper analysis and also the recommendation. So these are the recommendations. Now based on this, the plan will regenerated according to our mock test performance. So the upcoming schedules will automatically align with what our performance are. So this is how you continue study, you continue do the mock test attempt. The PrepMatic tracks you overall preparations. Based on that, we revisit or regenerate the plan according to the users. So PrepMatic automatically schedules revisions, so you revisit topics before you forget them, right? And you can also update your profile here. You can just go here, you can update the profile, you can see change the plan here, you can see all the informations here that you have. So this is how you can do this, right? So that's the complete overview of PrepMatic. The platform is designed to remove the planning burden from the exam preparations. Instead of wondering what to study next, you can focus entirely on learning, while PrepMatic handles planning, testing, tracking, and revisions. If you have any questions after watching this demo, feel free to reach out. We would happy to help. So the ultimate tagline of a Prepmatic is you study, we handle the rest.